So this is just a quick video to show you the best product and the cheapest product for restoring black plastic. So this is a Renault Kangoo, a few years old now, and the plastic has gone quite grey. So I've tried various products over the years, but what I found works the best and certainly lasts longer and is considerably cheaper is just mixing up boiled linseed oil with white spirit. Anything from a 30% to a 50% mix. So sort of 30% white spirit, 70% boiled linseed oil. Simply put it on with a rag, gently rub, wipe off any excess, but rub it thinly. Really thinly is the key, and it just makes a fantastic job, as you can see. And it also lasts considerably longer than back to black products, much cheaper, and it's nicely waterproof as well, but it does last considerably longer, and I'm doing a lot of these, and it's obviously so much cheaper.